Good official afternoon, guys. It's been a while. I think it's been like 2 weeks or so since I vlogged. Yeah, it's Daddy, but it is cold today and we're actually heading to the beach. It's the afternoon. I managed to get a very good deal on a stroller, so we're going to go and pick that up. And then we're heading to the beach, but I need to pop to Asda first. Ashley's grandma and granddad sent Frazer some money and we're going to pick up a bucket and spade for him, aren't we?
Yeah.
It's a really good one, so we're going to pick that up and then we're going to take him to the beach because we've realised how much Frazer likes playing in sand. So I think he'll enjoy it, and there's got like a really nice park there as well, which I know he'll love. I forgot about the park. So yeah, so we're having like a afternoon, evening out, aren't we?
Yeah.
It'd be really nice. Frazer will enjoy it, and I've been dying to go to the beach for quite a while. Yeah, so we're heading to Asda. Only the small Asda, isn't it?
Tiny Asda.
Yeah, the local village Asda in Welly.
Seems like they've got enough room to make that a lot bigger.
Yeah, it's quite a nice little Asda actually. It's quite nice to just go in now, you know where everything is.
Then right opposite there's a Waitrose, isn't there?
Yeah, it's that too.
That Tilton is now got a Lidl. Right next
Yeah,
to,
they know that.
right next to Tesco.
Yeah, I filmed there, don't you remember?
It's not bad because there wasn't any Tesco in Tilton, wasn't there?
Yeah, literally.
Just Tesco.
Tesco and M&S.
It's quite a small
I
one
couldn't
as
even
well.
think then what that was called. Yeah. It is. The sun's not so glary on the camera today. So guys, if you notice the difference between the video quality, I've now got a new phone, which means it's better quality filming, which is nice. He's forgot his mask like normal. No.
Masks.
He always forgets his mask. Yeah, so we just got to Asda. I drove again. I've literally been driving everywhere. We went out Saturday for the day and I drove then as well. I just feel like I'm completely used to it now. Me and Ashley were talking about like driving lessons and stuff, and he thinks I literally probably need about 3, 4, that's about it, and then I should be alright to take my test, but I need to take my theory as well. But I'm so determined to be driving at least by September, at least, or even before that, to be honest. So yeah, that is my goal this year, to be driving, and it's really exciting because it means I can actually take Frazer out places, because I'm sick of being in the house all the time. I know it's like the pandemic and stuff, but even before, like, because we live in the middle of nowhere, I don't get anywhere, and it's dangerous to walk those roads because of the cars and stuff. But yeah, I'm so determined to get driving and to actually have some more freedom, and obviously that means like I can also drive it to Dorset and go and see my friends and Ashley's mum and dad and stuff for the day, and go out with his mum and stuff for the day, take Frazer places and go out with my friends for the day, and go to my brother and sister-in-law and all the kids and stuff as well. So yeah, that is my target to do this year. We're at the beach now. It's freezing. It's absolutely freezing cold. Frazer in his pram.
That's what it is.
Mikey's just looking at the new restaurant that's in Exmouth, which we decided we are going to do on a date night, aren't we?
All the chairs and tables the covering top.
Yeah, it looks nice. I'll show you. This is the new restaurant at Exmouth. Apparently it is run by a very well-known chef, which is pretty good, but it looks really nice. Definitely a date night. Yeah. are eating some chips because what? Yeah, it is freezing. Yeah, little man is in his chair and I'm gonna see if he'll eat some chips. We'll see. First time Fraser's had a chip from the chippy. What do you think? Do you like it or not? Is it yummy? Fraser's very particular about food, isn't he?
Well, he's eating it.
No, he's not. He's shaking it out of his mouth. He doesn't like it. Do you not like it? Oh. Just had our chips. Fraser didn't like them.
It's just tight as it's gonna go.
Yeah, so luckily I actually packed like a sort of little picky, lunchy sort of thing for him. So he's had a sandwich and some crisps and stuff like that. But he prefers picky stuff, doesn't he? To like even a main meal. He's very likes his sort of finger foods really. But we are just about to leave.
Things getting messy.
And head home. Hey guys, so it's the next day. I didn't end up ending the vlog last night. We literally come home, got this one sorted and sort of like bathed and ready for bed and into bed. And obviously it takes quite a while to get him to bed because he's up, down, up, down. But yeah, so we just come home and relaxed really. We had quite a rough night with this one. He just wouldn't settle very well and he was up and down all night. But we've had quite a chilled morning. He's just so unhappy this morning. So he's got his dummy and muslin. I don't really like him having his dummy, but it's the only thing that's actually stopping him from crying at the moment. But yes, I need to grab a shower because I look a state and my hair needs a wash from the hairspray and stuff yesterday. Yeah, I use like hairspray on my hair like all the time. But yes, I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and it was like 2 weeks I think since I last posted a vlog. But guys, obviously keep an eye out because I'm putting more vlogs on this year than I did last year. So I'm actually really enjoying being back and vlogging again. So it's been really nice to do that. But we are going to chill the rest of the day. I'm going to grab a shower. And hopefully this one will go down for a nap after lunch. And it'll just be a more of a chill day. Can you say bye, Frazer? No, he's watching Bing. Yeah, he's not a happy bunny. Next time we see him, he'll be a lot happier, hopefully. But guys, I'll catch you in the next vlog and we will see you later. Bye. Can you say bye? Say bye-bye. Let's smile. Bye, good boy.
My whole world has changed, baby, since you came around. So take a chance on us. Take a chance on